Hi, my name is Isaiah, and this is the presentation of my website that I completed for this course. So the name of my website is McKnight Coaches. And McKnight Coaches is an online training website dedicated to users, or what we call trainees, who love to stay fit and are looking for a start on their weight loss journey. This website was created for those who love to work out or want to start on the weight loss journey, but don't want to work out in a gym setting and also love to work out with a coach or a trainer, but have a little bit of a smaller budget, don't feel the need to want to pay for one at the start of the weight loss journey. So this website here is created that has multiple different exercises, different levels, and also some meal prep ideas too that people can do and purchase and create at the comfort of their own home. So, as I said before, on our website, there will be different coaches you can select from, and there are different exercise levels as well. So, where someone's a beginner or more advanced, they will select that as well. You have access to workouts based on their schedules. You can work out anytime. This is online. You can work out from anywhere as long as you have Wi-Fi and a laptop, tablet, or cell phone. No need for bulky equipment or figure out how long to work out for because their exercise is designed to be without equipment. There'll be also healthy meal prep options too, and equipment options recommended from our coaches that our trainees can purchase on their own and prepare on their own. And coaches provide any type of healthy diet, workout goals, and weight loss goals to our trainees whenever needed. So our strategy here is to increase our leads here through our email newsletter by getting our audience to sign up for our email newsletter. Our audience, mostly the Gen Z millennials between the ages of 14 up to 42, looking for those who just out of high school, starting college, those working in 95, that like to, have a coach in front of them and use our online website to work out and look at our different levels. And we look for those interests mostly of a do-it-yourself mindset. So those want to find it more successful and to select their own workout levels, stay consistent with working out, and also know when to reach out for help if they need to, but with one of our coaches. And with our email marketing newsletter, they will sign up and they'll get a weekly update on new exercises that have been uploaded or new meal prep ideas as well. Our marketing strategy includes social media advertising and engagement. We will have a social media, we have like a Facebook page, Instagram page, and YouTube, so we can engage with our audience and also be advertising that'll show up on our target audience Facebook pages or social media pages as well. That'll help direct them to our website or direct them to sign up for our newsletter. Our target display, we will work closely with Google Ads to display ads in front of our target audience onto any website that they're on. So they can click on the ad, that'll lead them to our website or to sign up for emails. And SEO, search engine optimization. So when they're searching for specific keywords that we purchase, such as meal prep ideas, our website will show up first in that search list so they can click on our website. Our biggest challenges during this one is getting familiar with coding and some hardware difficulties. I do have a more outdated laptop, so some of the software, such as Dreamweaver, had some issues, but we were able to work through those. Same with getting familiar with coding is just going to my resources I have available and also just asking for help. One of my biggest successes was solving issues with linking landing pages, with just testing with certain things on my website and some of the exercises before. I just always had an issue with that, and thanks for just to an awesome professor and also just reaching out for help from other people, I was able to figure that out on my own, and of course stay motivated so I can complete this because I think I did a great job. So now we're going to look over the website here. Just go there real quick. Oh, let's start on the home page. Homepage here is very simple. Logos on the left-hand corner, sign up for emails on the right. Chose this because you look up, down, left, right. So when they see this logo, they'll look over, sign up for emails if they wanted to. Let's just scroll down. The navigation's right here. Super easy to access. Images, a little bit about the company, more images to stay, just to keep it inviting there, and then contact us, phone number down there, which will make the phone number mentioned clickable, so people on mobile devices can click on it and take them directly to the phone to call us. On our workouts is just the different levels we have, different types of workouts. Each level has a little bit of a description on it, so so our trainees can know like, hey, which one should I start with? Where should I go from here? Here's our meal prep ideas. So we have different categories regarding like breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, and treats, and a description for each one. So in case someone is like, I got dinner down, I just have hard time with breakfast or hard time with lunch, there's gonna be some ideas there for them. Here on this page, there'll be a selection for the coaches here with the image of each coach and a description of them. So our trainees have an idea of what they're looking for in a coach and know which one they become more comfortable with. And lastly, our About Us page. Here's some pictures here, and it's just a little bit about us, our coaches, why they should go with us, and some testimonials as well. And last but not least, we have our sign up for emails here. Here they'll just input their information here, and we get it directed directly to a thank you page. All right, that is pretty much it. So, if you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much.